नमस्कार सारे, आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सब यहाँ आए, सुबह सुबह आए, और अनन्या पांडे भी आए, ज़ोरदार तालियां उनके लिए। वैसे आपको बता दूं, वो शूटिंग कर रही थी और शूटिंग से सीधे आई है, सो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड। थैंक यू वेरी मच अनन्या।
वो भी हमारी फिल्म है तो मैं कुछ कह भी नहीं सकता।
अगर किसी और की भी होते तो भी क्या कह लेते। so, अच्छा, तो हम बात कर रहे थे जलियांवाला बाग। ये जो कहानी है, इट हैज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल मीनिंग टू मी। मैं पहले भी एक बार कह चुका हूँ, अभी आप यहाँ फिर मैं दोहराना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे फादर अमृतसर से हैं थे, और मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने ये जो जलियांवाला बाग का पूरा हादसा हुआ था, तो उन्होंने इसे देखा है, और वो उस वक्त थे, और मुझे नहीं बल्कि मेरे पिता को बहुत कहानियाँ सुनाई थी इसके बारे में, और मेरे पिता ने मुझे सुनाई थी। तो ये जो कहानी है, मुझे बचपन से इसके बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है। तो इट होल्ड्स अ वेरी स्पेशल थिंग विद मी। मेरे जहन में, मेरे दिमाग में ये हमेशा कहानी थी। तो जब मुझे करण त्यागी साहब ने मुझे कहानी सुनाई थी, तो उसी वक्त मैंने अपना फ़ैसला कर लिया था और कहा था कि ये फ़िल्म ज़रूर करेंगे। तब एंड मैं करण जौहर जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उन्होंने ये फ़िल्म में मुझे दी और मुझे मौका मिला इसके अंदर काम करने का। बाकी that's it.
Thank you so much, sir. Ananya, I have a quick question for you. के साथ वो कहीं ना कहीं when you watch the trailer or the teaser, वो हम थम जाते हैं. For you emotionally, how was it?
Firstly, I'm very sorry कि मैं late थी. I was shooting. When I read the script only, बहुत visceral reactions आ रहे थे. You know, everything was very emotional. बहुत सारे questions थे कि सच में ऐसा हुआ है. I'm not sure कि if they were arrested or no. पर जब हमने history में पढ़ा था, इतने सारे details कभी नहीं थे. You know, शायद एक death count दी थी, हमें पता भी नहीं कि वो right है कि wrong है. तो हमने briefly पढ़ी थी history में, पर when I read the script and when I heard the script, मुझे बहुत सीखने को मिला इससे. And I think जो सबसे important बात जो मैंने सीखी वो है कि as the younger generation, हम freedom को बहुत lightly लेते हैं. You know, we believe कि हाँ हमारा हक है. As we've grown up, we've been given freedom for everything. But when I read this script and I was a part of this film, मुझे वो weight लगा. You know, जो sacrifices हमारी freedom के लिए जो पहले लोगों ने किया था, I really felt the weight of that, and I really understood that. And I don't think I'm the same person after being a part of this film.
Thank you so much for sharing that. 18th April is when this entire team is going to share this with all of you.
HT City, I have two-part questions. First, Akshay sir, Karan sir abhi said that there has been no apology since the event happened. And recently I saw a video of General Dyer's granddaughter where she was conversing with one of the victims' family, and she referred to them as looters. Have you seen that, firstly, the video? And if you have, like, how do you think is that justified for on their part to kind of use those kind of terms? Because they are saying that history is history.
Yes, to answer your question, I have seen that video. I want to tell you that not just as an Indian, not just as a humanitarian, but just as anyone who has even an iota of empathy or an iota of humanity within yourself, it will anger you. I don't want to mince my words. I don't want to be diplomatic in my answer, and I certainly don't want to beat around the bush when I say how ridiculous was she to say that, and how dare she. She was calling those thousands of people looters. They were innocent people who conglomerated there, right there, on that what was meant to be an auspicious day of Baisakhi, thinking something else was going to be the eventuality of the day, and look what happened. By admission, General Dyer has said that he only stopped shooting when the bullets ran out. And she went on in that interview to say that he loved India and all kinds of things, and how that he had the greatest compassion. What love can you have in your heart when your actions only spoke of hate? And the fact that she is living in a la-la land of her own and is in some delusion of her own, and I don't know her, haven't met her, and I don't wish to meet her. But the fact that she even said those things just makes me so angry on a humanitarian level. खून खौलता है जब मैंने वो वीडियो देखा कि the fact that she had such disdain for one of the biggest genocides in the history of our nation and the history of the world, and the fact that she was so disdainful of it made me just angry, made me want and demand an apology even more.
I think we all deserve. Akshay sir, you have had a lot of films, and while you have been the